Entire the agric minister honorable Afia Pokua according nkɔmɔ afọ the Nkoko Nketenkete project na ye dey see ho no mo no wakɔdi nkɔmɔ afa ho ama ɛno no Afia Pokua Vimlady abegyina so akeka na adwen Elder Kevin Taylor ama bi agoka John Mahama na mamu NDC government no ɛda asɛm kwa na Afia Pokua kan ya Afia akeka na adwen kyerɛ Mahama ne Kevin Taylor bɛbɔ nkyerɛmu no akyerɛ wadwen de amame ɛwɔ comment section ayi Penyah block media mesra say ni di mu obey like video no other my subscribe button subscribe click notification icon latest update about the wadwen da amame ɛwɔ comment section oba so a no share first enya bahwe no kan phone nala money and apena dem o USA o UK o person ska edbafia aye nala and 26 obi ayi in fact obu transaction aye very fast send this ka ebrafie from promo code Penyah TV send this ka no charge $20 for free all sending na edru fie no mu na nala for asa mo $20 for free. Let's go to the story. We say yeah got 24 elections ni mo no na obia de the campaign and the message eba kire Ghana for niema ye to abara e de ma omba ye de amaye na endis for the number ko be friend Nkoko Nketenkete project I said no na omo say ye ba yen Nkoko I say poultry farming ebe dos one Ghana so that Nkoko no yankokra akoko force bi yanka say be kun ya Nkoko Ghana ha no mo they are called various cold stores. You will produce locally made poultry any locally made chicken ewa Ghana na yanga se ye dia dia e me to we Mahama ne or need government ne tina ye twan se policy na the project no kan no ye best start ne hu se di ebesi akọ e ma even kra no on the 27th of February 2025 no Mahama in the first state of the nation address e ba or capture wo mu se the Nkoko Nketenkete policy no they are targeting 55,000 households.
The Nkoko Nketenkete project we actually have a project called Nkoko Nketenkete. The Nkoko Nketenkete project will cover 55,000 households producing eggs and fresh poultry for the market, and it will help reduce our $300 million we spend on importing chicken annually. Mr. Speaker, to strengthen the connection between agriculture and industry, we will prioritize value addition, processing and distribution, and this will position agriculture as profitable and appealing, making it more attractive to our young people. We will implement an Agri-Next program to facilitate access to land banks by young farmers, to connect graduates with opportunities in the agricultural value chain, and promote greenhouse agriculture among the youth. This initiative will benefit approximately 30,000 young people. Mr. Speaker, the Livestock Development Project will also address Ghana's reliance on imported meats by restocking breeding farms and increasing local livestock production, thereby creating jobs and boosting self-sufficiency.
In fact, almost attend almost church and go koni be 25 in fact, almost be here. Techima, omugo chebo honomo, accommodine, omugo chebi, and kranza, omugo chebi say. Farmers do na enye bi
and that man Penyah say said the agent aye ni o man Penyah John Mahama or no one kasana ni swadi hu and the Feed Ghana program no another program o ha friend Nkoko Nketenkete man Penyah ni swadi hu no say oba ma adwuma aba man mu nti enam kuaye so e de adwuma eba
e ma se me ya me check me ni fene se o mu ade ma o mu nyina no akoye NDC branch executives ni mpanimfo ni o mu there wasn't any farmer bi age say all head yen shede ni mu no a o she ni ba bi a yakoma ni bi I didn't say anything as such as o mu ade ma o mu nyina akoye NDC branch executives because even there was a video na NDC branch executive o receive Nkoko na o mu da Mahama ase to Mahama e honyom
Oka obeyo, Oka obeye, JME, Mama Oka obeyo.
Emma and Etokodaye. Na Ghana for be cast. I do a nyansa bi anim. Nyansa kitikiti say anim. I was ye good because ye ntimi ntabri o man sika kakraka we. Emfa nkoye project we ya enim say. Enko we be bia because there was a time cry. Omu ebeka ho asem se Nkoko no omo den kan pe expert bi ede ma o ma bra no omo ye Nketenkete expert no munim so munim mo ne yan ya mo de enkon koma o mo se o munya no obedi nkomo se about 1,000 plus na chire de o mawu
Kwa dream sat yensa eka ye 2000 eno ene Nkoko a yensa eka ye ewo ye mensi mase yenye no na yenye wie no kazo atakra eba mu Nkoko ni bi efi mu eno amount of 1,000 and a figure enti ye timi ayi sa number no efi mu
omu ye e ma de ka ye no na o mba be che ye ha say about 1,000 plus 1,000 to 2,000 ewu ye enti de be ka chire no and o mba na some focus adiwe no emfa so bia ne so o man ne ye boka kwa ye first can kwa de foforo but next government so no omunim de omu ye. So it was in August Anna the Food and Agriculture Minister Honorable Nkoko Poku Ebeka said very soon enchebia September yekoro mu no Mahama cut sword for the construction of what poultry factory. Just ombe factory Ghana ha no mo e ho na Nkoko no ye omu ye so be mpanimfo na person ton a e ho ana reba abeton say yakun mu process ne kama.
And this is what we are going to do. By the end of September, His Excellency the President will cast sword for the establishment of a big poultry processing center where people can go and sell their best. They will slaughter, they will take it through processes, do the cuttings, the packaging and everything, and then sell to the local market and also export. That factory the sword cutting will happen at the end of the month, and within a space of 7-8 months, the big factory will be in place. But the factory is not going to be processing alone. We'll have an aspect that will be for hatchery, because we want the Nkoko Nketenkete program to be sustainable. So they will produce the best. In fact, we are not going to distribute day-old chicks. We are keeping them for 1 week. We want to take them through the vaccination process in order to reduce the mortality rate, because the people we are giving the birth to are novice in the business. This is their first time. And so if you give them the old chicks, it becomes very, very difficult for them to manage. And so we give them the day old chicks, we give them the feed. We are also deploying veterinary doctors to go to the field to support them so that we can make the whole thing very, very effective.
Emma yes ye free 2025 every right on say no almost already budget. Now budget no they allocated another 250 million Ghana cedis. Na say no ya cha Nkoko no sika Ghana ye de abon Nkoko Nketenkete we hu bra no 345 million new Ghana look at this kind mu a 3.4 trillion ya cha this kind no ya de this kind no 3.4 trillion and Nkoko Nketenkete project all about dollars ma is about $32 million. Yet about $32 million. And the Nkoko Nketenkete project nimu and about time can say check up to 3 million birds. Ye check Nkoko no ma 3 million Ghana ha, but it was in June 2026 ana ombedi nkomo as an agriculture sector hono agric sector hono ombedi nkono mu kire mu se Nkoko so far the Mahama etimi ache 1.7 million birds. Yetuma che out of the 3 million no yetuma che 1.7 million ama nasa ama na mfo say na ye che omu wa hin because me mikro mu hanom omu abebu say omunya bie NDC mpanimfo omu headed ni mbomu ba say NDC me member bi omunya bi farmer bi anya bi oba me mikro mu offense so abofo a in offense South constituency a omu amemesi omunya Nkoko ni bie ubu so obi asa wunya bi omu nim adekode akra omu nim da bi abeche Nkoko bi wo kurum ha no but mpanimfo NDC mpanimfo ni bi eno kura anya panyin bi anya bi ye chichema omu mpanyin ye NDC mu no edimu omu anya bi ase ade no enya Ghana na ye support faso bi ani so faso bi ani so eti ye hwesi ka ye de akowura mu 345 million cedis ene de yetimi ache 1.7 million na man for airpay account say there be o mu mepu hu nkonta nkire yi ye nte ase say sika no asa anase ebi da so ho no mo na Nkoko na kura ma chekura no now no akoti say omo de ma omo no omatima yen aduru say yatima ton bi Ghana ha do ro say no obi atimanya oma wo say na nyuma no eko e don say TBB if the agric ministry no omo asue etinansia mo ana committee of assurance etenase because public account committee for ayo de it a committee of assurance almost etenase as niti wood and the former defense minister ono and the chairperson for that committee na emu ana the agric minister no ekopie mo ho no na ho no ene busa no question bi about the Nkoko Nketenkete project no eno kan say so pain say oh project in there akoto jojojo ya che Nkoko no amagana for no omo yan but adebako wo mu ni say omo mo je Nkoko no omo nko omo de yare.
But there are also stories that we can also share. Some also decided to kill and eat all. In fact, they were even sending me videos that, Honorable, we are eating everything. But this is not meant for that immediate consumption. We just wanted people to rear them, sell, and reinvest so that it becomes
Honorable Minister, that's the trendy story, that they are eating the birds.
Jesse, omo de bo abekwa bi. Oh, bi ti de ya nkra, ebi de ya pusu, Jesse, pepper soup. Omo kuwe. Listen, oh my no, ya bokagu. Ade abotaya se ade ye no, so that ebebo oh my no. Me say ya ade o me ka say, se pese ni ya ene ka yensisi factory. Poultry farm akese wo Ghana ha. Yenye poultry farm region bia ba akwa akese. Ne den ka yenye na ne yemfa workers ngum ne ntuo mu ka bosome rather than say ma obia 50 20 times won koye emfa so bia ma me ka asem we ba wo ga to Penyah ana wo ten this government ana wo mpano kure ana dem si mu de ye wa ha agriculture so mom je ngokurumokum ade yawe ababe 80% de Nkoko no krache onko no na aka 3 4 2 omu ya to bi edi wasa na ho kire ho no ya to bi ye digi so abo nkwai.
You see, Yedika kache Ghana for say, Mamu ni enumdachi, Nkoko to aba Emma His Excellency John Mahama, and Nkoko Nketenkete, na Nkoko Nketenkete na emfa hwe emremo. Ene asabno ne da ho no. Nkoko na emrante na kumu nyina because omo so munya aduane mfa Nkoko no. Omo fo musika nkoto aduane emma Nkoko enkodi. Abra Nkoko no mutimi fo munya hwe. Nti Nkoko no wakwa kope obi deep freezer. And what Nkoko ni na no do makogum and what ton Nkoko no dia wantumi anton so a ono ankasa en no na de awe Ghana for Yedika kachiremo ye kachiremo said the alternative is empty, the alternative is scary. Obi abadi free SHS and the newman kɛse abakrom ha ama Ghana for ani agye ho ama emrante ne mabawa enya adwuma ye kyese emrante ekosuku omu wia ombetimi akọ police ombetimi akọ immigration first no na amanfo ntimi nkọ SHS na rada nkọ akufado ni nyansam ene ni political party the NPP e de sa policy beto wo se akra bia ya wo no Ghana ha bia no sa akra no benya opportunity e de akọ SHS Ghana for ma me force omo mpe omo agasa beti omo school fees omo pa Nkoko Nketenkete na omo ye Nkoko no maton omo anya sika de eti omo school fees ntia no omo pe e na me ne mo kasai Nkoko Nketenkete e de baaye no omo ni sika e de beto aduane ama Nkoko no ene omo ankasa twom ho akun Nkoko na we ene bi susu atonton Nkoko ndi ama nkofo na se Nkoko Nketenkete project a His Excellency John Mahama de ba se wo de be magana fo aye adwuma na nya sika de bia sombotom akun biawe no aye emwanan Ghana fo enti se otioma na obi bedi president na oman a ekononim wo de oman ne kona chisa biem a ebe yie ni sa adwen Nkoko Nketenkete no minimo obi a otena ase a ode sa adwen to His Excellency John Mahama trim medwen ho a mentiase ye duabo because enye sei ena na de Nkoko Akufo-Addo ebo shima Ghana fo se Ghana ni a odo ba ko school amana wie wo se da bi mempe Nkoko Nketenkete me ba no metena fie no meyen Nkoko ahia ne de mamo Nkoko aduane se ne de mamo uze Nkoko aduane ne san unya sika nkotoma Nkoko nti musu muku Nkoko ni nawe ama agric minister mu a abetina committee anim abeka se Nkoko Nketenkete project no amanfo awi ni na yedamase NDC for any edro a mo bedi kire yen ene Nkoko koma mo constituency organizers ne constituency women organizers ene na munya sika nto aduane man Nkoko na omako Nkoko ni na no yedamase ene mayimyo
Ghana pa de unia we are me beken NDC for bedi di matem hwe se ya peja oman ni sika 245 million Ghana cedis munim se sika no 245 million Ghana cedis. Oh, yes, Shegu Ghana must go more. Between Yamakuma Kube 100. Say the Koya and Nkoko Nketenkete. Na adia eyema ya eyema rohone say endra ye frame minister no by parliament. Ye frame be assurance committee. See ye busa no see project na kwoti san ya. Was it project no omom cheche Nkoko ne mom no omakum Nkoko na we. Hey. Just what kind of role adichi what ho or reasoning ye. Nenka ye or maybe anka by this time Nkoko Poku ni deputy John Dumelu kase so ma resign si ye nkomu gina court. 245 million Ghana cedis. Omo control ball them. Omo ka kire say Nkoko no mo ayi omo me de mo no. Omo say oh NDC for them kwachi chema omo. Na omo bisa say Nkoko na omo say Nkoko Nketenkete sika na. Omo mebu ho akonta omo say omo mchechema omo no say omo awe Nkoko no. Onyame hu omo awe mo bo.
Hey, something aba. Bim says, asem we bankrofo bebre Ghana web na e de ba first. Bim say nya no kware. Ah, e ba ni say na asem we ye no kware mo boa we politics na mo ye. Hey, eyampa o. Eyampa. Nkoko Nketenkete projects. Some beneficiaries have consumed the best and are sending me videos. A Greek minister tells Parliament Assurance Committee, hey, Nkoko Nketenkete no omo de aye pepper soup, ebi de aye jollof. Chese me kan ni say ni. Ebi de awo fufuo na omo abusuafo edi. Na Nkoko Nketenkete asem yi ba ye na Ghana web di kan report ebi ni sanya no kware politics say safede mo. Omo ario. Omo si feed bo na me ni say bia ke ye de amom no. Ye de feed ebe kan. Omo si feed bo edin. Ti omo ntimi ahwe Nkoko no so. Omo are. Omo na twa omo num spedede. Omo ario omo abubo nnompem. Na Nkoko no kra de mo omo no kra satam kra no. Na me hwe Nkoko no kra omo nye babies. Omo nye babies obi no manyi ni ye de koma omo. Akwa wanyi anya no kosi dabe. Omo are. Ntini eda wono no. Nkoko Nketenkete fo no. Ye de mo omo no mantimi afa kota anya nkwan. Omo de Nkoko no mum na aye nkwan.
Eva na Ghana for no chiro madwen e de fa na no said the ade we si abeye no nyame anem no kure ni senke ye MPP government ana a waste o man ni sika $32 million ene ye kire abra tomato factory kɛse a e wo Burkina Faso ye de just $20 million ene ye Captain Ibrahim Traore e de $20 million aye tomato factory kɛse bozin e wo Burkina Faso a oba West Africa no and the biggest tomato processing factory in West Africa. Burkina Faso just $20 million. But you are telling $32 million. I bet you Nkoko. I'm Nkoko ye hu di eko. Same MPP government and this guy is answer hunu ya. Anka said the amount for besia blasting woman can come out through mono. Because omuni vision there for this country. Are by Kevin Taylor McCann. Kevin enka say we ni and we concert e won show no. Na no and Afia Pokua Vimlady there be. Say do think MPP government anka kai wa be dinner tinti Afia abekase Kevin Taylor na we ene nsemo a o ka kire no.
Mo adwuma ma musika. Mo fa ko ya mo project. Nkoko Nketenkete mo sim kofo akum. Nkoko Nketenkete na edi. I think at this stage the NDC must be very concerned about the cost of Mabemo. NDC President Mahama and NDC, you must be very concerned because this is a shame. This is a big shame. It is a big shame. Someone cast out your major project. Just 2 years to pay in power, or 2 years to pay in power. And go on inquiry. It was a minister and said, what kind of monitoring and evaluation? And I'm with the go from. And then Nkoko Nketenkete said, almost every poultry farmer now so be a woman and Nkoko Nketenkete be a hey, I said, Nkoko story where I catch that wine. He knew. Send a vision if we are saying, Nana don't never be done. Me a hire MPP taco. My fire Nana do too many times. My fire Nana do too many times. But at least on free SHS will be able to make to check. I'm a Nanado. I'm sorry. Our body Moses and Nanado. Yet also any sorry. Free SHS there. Nanado delivered. He delivered. And found one a double track. Forget a double track. He delivered. Namo akamo. Mun deliver Nkoko Nketenkete amosin Nkoko na yare. Mo flagship program o. Mo monitor mo say yare. E bia say 24-hour economy no ma say na mo dey adani 24-hour market. Mo ka che Nkoko say boy 24-hour economy. Economy na adani 24-hour market. Me wa mo buy market order da. Who dey tie minister na kasa.
Also decided to kill and eat all. In fact, they were even sending me videos that, Honorable, we are eating everything. But this is not meant for that immediate consumption.
Hey, Minister Nkoko. Oh, boy, see, like I say, I shall give you. Hey, Honorable Nkoko. No, I don't know you like this. This is below you. The Nkoko I know will never go and justify this. Say, Nkoko Nkoko Nketenkete are good because they are developing a taste for local kitchen, chicken. Really, Honorable. When you are someone also Honorable Nkoko can. Honorable Nkoko. This is where you admit that this is failure on the part of monitoring and evaluation team if you had one. But this is one you better say, you perceive a strengthening or more monitoring, so that subsequently, no, you then Nkoko Nketenkete more be the scanning feed Ekahua, Nipano so that we will achieve the results in your panel. Because project be a mobile, the end results, the objective in the projects. So that more monitors and pass at least to the best of your ability. No, I do objective no, and as you crew out with this Susuyan, Mubetinia drew. Now, whole minister will be catching say, and go fire and go getting on more real, a yes or more because now, Oma develop taste for local chicken. Nagana had that any taste for local chicken. That Ben Nagana, any taste for a fiakoko. That we've had taste for fiakoko. We have taste for fiakoko. That should not even be the issue. The fact is that you have failed in monitoring, and yet I will personally as minister, but that's a ministry, and Nkoko Nketenkete project. And this is the end, this is just the beginning of the project too. Disappointing me power with this analogy. San Nkoko Nketenkete has some way there, please go and come back again and give us a better first understanding of the issue because this no, we can't just say bring us up to speed next year and what the latest is. How many of Nkoko Nketenkete how many of them are presently viable? Because project be any idea of which 100% failure. How many of them they are viable? If we do the projection in the next 2 years, how many bears are we likely to rear? How many bears are we likely to get to growth stage? How much of the money can we reinvest back into the Nkoko Nketenkete business? That is what the taxpayers want to know because it's men found bekata or some bekata and he said, and I'm Nkoko, you can't come and do my kitchen blog and start maybe comedy central and muscle. You cannot turn this into a comedy on Nkoko. Then I need a sick and a corner cottage. No. Siken be a taxpayers' money, we will chase the money. We will chase the money, said the FBF, Chelsea, or Modia teaching for Ghana, would take money out there. We will chase every money. We will chase every money. Because this coconut story where the honorable future president Nkoko you must give us better particulars of this issue. Because HSA the NDC what is like I say a bunch of jokers. Oh man, yes, serious. BBA, what person BBA Sulia. BBA somebody is Sulia. Like, how can you tell us this very extravagant, sensational story? No, I don't be kind of from confirm getting to Nkoko Nketenkete. What a wow. From confirm getting I took over Burkina to Nkoko Nketenkete. Oh, NDC. Mo ya gumankasama by any massy, and you have to stop this. Mo ya gumankasama by any massy. And you have to stop the forgetting about what opposition will say. It is incumbent on you to project a binding image. Mo de won't deliver near who some deliver. But don't come back and tell us what the yaji dear got to say. When your class 1 from Colabina, okay, Uboko Pana's story, be added to a 3 years, it's the other camera. You bet you didn't to we are cock and boo story, actually, or Crocodile and John, or Honorable Patrol, Honorable President, a future president, we go Patrol with it. Yeah, Patrol, yesterday, pa. The same NDC are buying only another project on my some of us kitchen blogger and make a MPP in the whole of the uncle was son and not say anopheles mosquitoes. Go ni do beer mammy or beer papa too for him be out the dinner time. NDC buy and Nkoko Nketenkete the uncle for Dino. Most some kitchen blogger when you or jam was some come. I feel the old or the Akosi a glass of so now me catch them to Nipano or need the mental capacity to come up with an intelligent argument in Tino. Already I got them the penny a joke. Say so they are done comedy central. Now I know they are called I just for we a Ozempic and I just for the say on video and what has that got to do with inflation? A MPP in the one would you be talking about just for the Ozempic? Whether or not I just for no Ozempic or not, whether whatever and fact gun economy and for 24-hour economy no and Nkoko Nketenkete na for area no and country focus on the issues. Focus on the issues. Or the other joke. Kitchen blogger. Because Onya send you or Becca no. On one case, I'm sure he can see say NDC are buying disappointed big time. All the campaign reset. And then more their politics, more the Black Stars cry your politics. Black Stars no is depicting an incompetent government. And then one buying so Black Stars then to be uncovered, you know. Also be a politics because Obi him say yeah Black Stars no acquire frefe kobo. And this has been a problem and yeah buying back kunti and the Black Stars in your problems. So it's been a long-standing problem na Black Stars face. So nobody even under NDC will be a politics. But more NDC for to meet the politics say Black Stars and performing, including Almighty St. George. School are working in our day to take. Because school, I did a school boy and go be a sound. But I did a school boy when they say school no boy out to me a logical. You be beyond also their politics. School has some George some George to chance Black Stars, you know, and because of incompetent government in the Black Stars performing. So I will say the fundamentals of Black Stars now have exposed all of you in NDC. The fundamentals of Black Stars are exposing in NDC for doing politics with Black Stars. And see, I'm a kitchen blogger, they are done and as a now done comedy central. They say the comedy lawyer. Onya sembianka comedy and oye. I can address a fuck on Mozim pick up our bank. If I got economy home. If I 24 economy home. If I flood in a one, flooding a yen to me managing. If I flood in a Disika brain, I've Ministry of Finance work out to and it's can home and I'm go for whoever. And you'll be and Kakwa will be dear at 10 Katana near Chene Common Tintin. No, I am not just say it's sad. It's sad. And me, I brought you away a first could you show me? Or a young man, but I love the young man. No, I didn't. And all kind of seem to be papa the obey any.
Ubeto achire wa adwen e dia mame. E wo comment section. How you Penyah Block Media.